Welcome to my channel Childhoods7. Alphabet plan. Letter S T. S for sunflower. S U N F L O W E R sunflower. S for snail. S N A I L snail. S for strawberry. S T R A W B E R R Y strawberry. S for star. S T A R star. T for table. T A B L E table. T for tree. C H R E E tree. T for tiger. T I G E R tiger. T for tomato. T O M A T O tomato. Thank you.